Guys, welcome to Crypto EP119, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. Yes, as you can see on the screen right now, BTC is what? BTC is dropping. And you can see it has hit the stop loss here where I told you guys to put the stop loss. So I expect you, if you're an investor or you are a spot trader, you should take out your money for now and wait for another entry. But we're still going to take a look at the charts later to see what we need to do with other coins and other projects. Also, we're going to take a look at what is going on in the cryptocurrency market, talking about the market cap, and also we're going to take a look at the fear and greed index. As usual, we're going to take a look at the event of the day, but as you all know, we're going to first look at the news to know what the news looks like out of the cryptocurrency space. All right, this is Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. And I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladimiji Kazim, aka KC the Great. If you're just joining, thanks for joining. Please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can always get my videos when I drop them immediately. Also, you might want to follow me on X to get latest news as I drop it immediately to your view. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, you can follow me on TikTok to get all these nuggets I drop daily for you guys, so you can be well equipped and well informed when it comes to cryptocurrency at large. All right, without wasting our time, let's dive into the news. And the first news I'm going to share with you is Bitcoin outflows on Binance suggest growing accumulation. Also on Solana, we saw Solana falls under $200, and we can see right here Ethereum will drop before the next leg up. Also, we have XRP price correct, limits downside, keeps bulls optimistic. So we're going to take a look at more news on the radar, and this one is spot BTC ETFs attract 1.7 billion worth of inflows in 4 days. That is massive. Another news on the radar is Bitcoin short-term outlook engine US dollars volatility. Let's take a look at another news on the radar, and this one is volatility returns as BTC dumps 7% to 95k, over 700 million in liquidation. That's a lot, guys. You need to be careful out there. Let's take a look at news, and this is all about Dogecoin and BTC. And Dogecoin slumps 10% amid Bitcoin slide to 96k. 560 million US dollars long position liquidated. We're still gonna check Dogecoin out on the show shortly. Let's take a look at other altcoins now, and this is Ethereum. Ethereum sees 10x volume surge. Shiba Inu stock between key levels. Solana breakdown is 300 on horizon, so we need to check Solana and Shiba Inu out shortly while we check ETH as well. But speaking of altcoin, let's check what is happening with Ripple. Ripple Chainlink stablecoin partnership doesn't stop. XRP and Link sinking. All right, let's check 2 or 3 more news before we dive into the event of the day. And this one is coming from the world-renowned exchange. I'm talking about Coinbase. Coinbase secure massive legal win against SEC, and that is a good news for the crypto world. Let's take a look at another one. This one is ARK Investment. ARK Invest Crypto Head call it quit. ARK Invest Crypto Head call it quit. Let's take a look at another news, and this is coming from Czech Republic. As you all know, I always try to bring a news from one of the country for you, and today is coming from Czech Republic. And Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Czech Central Bank governor opens the discussion. So these are the news making waves on the radar on this early hour of the day. If you want to know more of the news, you might want to follow me on X, where I drop much news for you as they come out immediately. So if you're interested in getting more news out of the crypto, you might want to follow me on X to get more news out. All right, now let's get into the event of today. If you look at the calendar, it's looking a little bit yellowish and reddish kind of, and when it's like that, that means we have some important news coming out of the economic calendar today. And we have coming out of Australia, United States, and Australia and United States for today. And other news from New Zealand, Europe, and Japan are not that important. You might just want to take a look at them. So now the important news we'll be looking at today is at 1:15 p.m. GMT or UTC, and at 7 p.m. UTC or GMT. And at 7 p.m. GMT, 7 p.m. UTC or GMT, we're going to be looking at the FOMC meeting minute. You understand, talking about the fundraiser that is coming up next. So we're going to be hearing from the Fed chair, Jerry Powell, if you know him. Also, we're going to be waiting for this news to come out at 1:30 p.m., which is unemployment claims and non-farm employment change, respectively, coming at 1:15 p.m. GMT, UTC, and 1:30 p.m. UTC, respectively. So those are the news we're expecting on the radar today. Now, having known the event of the day, let's dive into the cryptocurrency market cap. And you can see yesterday we were above 3.5 trillion, but now we are back to 3.5 trillion. We are back to 3.5 trillion US dollar. Don't worry, 4 trillion US dollar is coming, and we are going to celebrate that. So 3.5 trillion is what the cryptocurrency market cap is sitting on right now. And BTC is now back below 2 trillion US dollars. You can see the trending coin and the top gainers. Now let's check the top 10 to top 15 thereabout cryptocurrency on the list, and the number one still remain Bitcoin, the number 2 Ethereum, number 3 Tether, number 4 XRP, number 5 BNB, number 6 is Solana, number 7 Dogecoin, number 8 is CUSDC, number 9 is Cardano, number 10 is Lido Stake, number 11 is Tron, number 12 is Avalanche, number 13 is Sui, number 14 is Wrap ETH, number 15 is Stone, 16 Chainlink, 17 Stellar, and Shiba Inu has been pushed down to number 18, and the list goes on. If you're interested in knowing number 1 to 100 to 1,000 coin on the cryptocurrency market list, you might want to check coingecko.com out, and you can have all that information. But right now, we're not going to dive into the chart analysis to see what is going on. If we need to keep our money back in USDT, or we need to close some of this project, or look into another project and put our money into. That's what the next segment is all about. But if you're still watching till now, thanks for supporting me. Please, let's put this channel to 10,000, guys. Let's push it to 10,000. We're on 5,000, and thanks for supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. Let's push it to 10,000. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get the daily content I drop for you and other important information I'll be sharing on the channel. You can follow me on X, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and on TikTok to get all these nuggets out. It's CryptoBit101, the home of value and good information, where we do not gamble, we trade it. And you know, this is where you get value for your money. If you're an investor, if you're a trader, whatever you are, come to CryptoBit101, the home of value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment in general. All right, having said that, let's now dive into the chart and see what the fortune teller is telling us right now. What does the fortune teller looks like? Let's take a look at it right now. We can see yesterday I told you Bitcoin was still a buy, and I put the stop loss at 97k. So the market shoot up to around 102 thereabout and plummet yesterday, but breaking our stop loss. So I expect you to be out of BTC. BTC is not a buy nor a sell. Stay out of BTC right now if you're an investor or you're a spot trader. If you're interested in future derivatives and all of that, the links to how you can trade that is in my description. You can join my Telegram channel or you can join my Discord where I share signal on derivatives and all of that. But on this show is all about investors and spot traders. So if you're an investor and a spot trader, get the hell out of what? BTC, excuse my language. All right, let's go to Ethereum. You can see Ethereum to ETH, the stop loss right there. So I'm expecting you to get out of Ethereum. Let's check SUI. SUI to ETH, the stop loss. You're supposed to get out of SUI. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP also ETH, the stop loss. So I'm expecting you to get out of XRP. And let's take a look at Avalanche. Avalanche, the same thing, get out of Avalanche. Let's take a look at AAVE. AAVE, the same thing, get out of AAVE. Let's take a look at Sol, get out of Solana as well. Let's take a look at ADA. ADA 2 as the stop loss, get out of ADA. Let's take a look at Ton Network, excuse me, Ton Network is the same, get out. So basically both Bitcoin and altcoins are on sell mode right now. Please, I'm not expecting you to be in the market except you are derivative or future trading where you use leverage, and that you need to join my Discord channel and Telegram to get the signal or to know much about that. So I haven't said that get out of all those things right now. They are not a buy right now. Please take your money and put it in USDT. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose and entertainment. But with my years of experience in the game, I've always to make prediction and I've been right more than 90 to 95%. You can check all my videos to confirm that. All right, let's take a look at the meme coins, and we're going to start with Dogecoin. Of course, Dogecoin 2 has hit the stop loss. Get out of Dogecoin right now. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Get out of Shiba Inu as well. Let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe 2 should be the same. Get out of Pepe. Let's take a look at Ondo. Get out of Ondo. Let's get out of Notcoin as well. Let's take a look at Dogs. Get out of Dogs. Let's take a look at Nero. Get out of Nero. Let's take a look at Deep. Get out of Deep. Get out of Deep. Let's take a look at RSR. Get out of RSR. Let's take a look at PopCard. Please stay away from PopCard. Let's take a look at Rose. Stay away from Rose. Let's take a look at CKB. Stay away from CKB. Let us take a look at Reef. Stay away from Reef. So if you look at even all the meme coins, all the meme coins are what? All the meme coins are even on sell mode. So basically all the cryptocurrency projects are on sell mode. I expect you, if you're an investor or you are a spot trader, you're supposed to just be relaxing, sipping on the gains you've made through the show, because we've made so much gain if you've been following my channel and my signals. So you're just supposed to sit and relax. We need signal to get back into the market. Maybe that will happen today or tomorrow or before the end of the week. But right now, you just need to be sipping on your whatever you like to sip on. Me, I sip on my tea, you understand? Yeah, so that it has on the chart analysis today. All of them are looking reddish and they are sell. Please stay away from them. But if you're interested in trading derivative futures and all of that, way you can leverage and short whatever that is happening or buy within the short, you might want to join my Telegram channel or my Discord channel to get the signal daily. All right, we're not going to end the show without checking the fear and greed index. And if you look at the fear and greed index, it's sitting on 70 right now and is on greed. Yesterday was extreme greed, if you could remember. Now it's greed. Last week was greed. Last month, extreme greed. So the market is falling off. We might see people now start to buy maybe before the end of the week or next week. But right now, let's just sit back and relax and chill on the profit will make if you're an investor and spot trader. But if you're a derivative trading where you use or future trading, margin trading, options trading where you use leverage, you might want to subscribe to my Discord channel and Telegram channel. The links are down in the description, and you can just short it or leverage a little bit on the pullback and make some money for yourself. But for spot traders and investors, it's time to chill out and enjoy your new year and just sip on something. All right, that's that on the fear and greed index, and that's what we have for you today on the show. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you might want to do that right now. Subscribe, like, and share, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get the content as dropped immediately. You can follow me on X as well, follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok to get all the nuggets as I drop it for you. All right, I still remain my humble self, Ahmed Oladmeji Kazim, and this is the Bitcoin and Breakfast Show, where we trade it and we do not gamble it. Until I catch you tomorrow on another wonderful episode of this great show, peace out.